To work in the Webpages module, click on the Webpages tab on the left-hand side of your screen. And this screen is set up the same way as most of our modules, so you'll see many similarities as we go through them today. You can see on the middle of the screen a list of the web pages that are currently on the site, and the link name is the name that you give your web page, and if you click on it, you'll be taken to that web page on your live site. You can also see when that page was modified and what category it's under. In the action column, you have DEL for delete, edit, and copy. And to add a new web page, click on the Add a New Web Page button. The first field that you'll see in this new window is for a category. Categorizing your web pages will make it a lot easier to find specific web pages later as your site grows. For this example, we'll use the category Main. And you'll also see the Add button next to category. With this button, you can create new categories, and as you add categories, the drop-down menu is customized by you. The next field is link name, and this is the unique name of the web page that will only appear in the admin side of your site and the URL of that page. We suggest giving it the same name as your page title for consistency, and remember that the link name must be unique to that specific web page, and you cannot have two pages with the same link name. For this example, we'll be creating a page that tells our visitors who our partners are. So we'll type in our partners, and when you're typing in your link name, you want to make sure that there are no spaces in between your letters. Next is page title, which is what your visitors will see at the top of their screen when they visit that page of your site. Here we'll use our partners, and you can use regular spacing here. You'll notice that required items are bolded. Subtitle is not in bold, so it's optional, but although it is optional, I do want to use a subtitle on this page, so I'll type "Thank you for your support." The next field is body, and will contain the bulk of your web page, and it's where you'll add all text, images, and links that you want to display. What you see is our editor, and what you see in the editor is what will be displayed on your page. Right now, except for title and subtitle, we have a blank page, but let's learn how to look at what we've done so far. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you'll see three options. Apply will save what we're working on, and it will leave the editor open, and you can continue to work, but the changes are instantly saved and applied to your web page. Cancel will quit editing the web page, and it will not save any of your changes. And for this example, we'll select Save, which will save your work and return you to a list of web pages in the Webpages module screen. Now we'll need to set the filter back to Show All Categories. And when we do that, you'll see that our partners is now one of the link names listed. If we select that link name, we can now see how this page looks. And again, we're on the live site of the white interface. So now let's go back and look at how to add to the body of this page. Back in the blue interface on the Webpages module screen, to edit our partners, under Action we want to select Edit. Getting back to the editor, to show you the copy and paste options, I'm going to paste from a document that I've already written. So I'm just going to open up my document. I'm going to highlight all my text, and I can do that by highlighting it with my cursor. I can use Control-A. And then to copy text, right-click and select Copy. And you can also use the shortcut Control-C to copy text. To paste text, right-click your mouse and choose Paste. You can also use the shortcut Control-V, and this will paste your text into the document, and from here you can edit it using the other buttons in the editor. You should also be familiar with the Insert Image icon, and the icon shown here is the picture of a tree. And when you click this button, A new window opens showing you all of the pictures you've uploaded in your file manager. From here, select the image that you want and it will be inserted into your page. I'm going to insert the image labeled Acrosoft Logo, which is found in my training folder, which is set up through my file manager. And we'll use the file manager module a little bit later. Now, I can resize my photo here if I want to, but if you're using some versions of Internet Explorer like I am, photos might not maintain their aspect ratio, so they may begin to look fuzzy. For this reason, we recommend using image editing software to resize your photos before you upload them. And you can rearrange the photo and the text just like you would do with a Word document, and you can change the alignment of your picture with the text align buttons in the second row of the editor. So now let's see how our live page is looking. I'm going to scroll down and select Save. Then select the link name Our Partners and view the screen. Now, I'm going to leave the web page open this time, and I'll explain why in just a minute. But returning back to the Webpages module of the blue interface, I'm going to select Edit again next to Our Partners, and we're back in the editor. In the bottom row of the editor, we see font family and font size, which will change the appearance of your font. And your site will already have predefined font settings, but using these will override those. And as with any word processor, we can format the text within our editor. So to bold text, highlight the text that you want to be bold and click on the B button. The shortcut for bolding is Control-B. Now here I want to show you how we can move to the bottom of our screen, select Apply, and remember that this button will save your changes as you go. And it'll keep the editor open. You can then select the Our Partners window that we left open and refresh. And the text that I just bolded appears instantly on the live page. And this is just a quicker way to view changes as you work.